me if I get this, R. You know what? This isn't as bad as it looks. What's this up here? Chat, can anybody identify this box right here? Anybody? Hey, hey, bro. Why you got a whole paper towel roll in your fridge? That kind of just threw me off. I'm not gonna lie, chat. That just, he's got gum in here too. What? What are we thinking, chat? Look at all these apples he has. Bro's the apple advocator. He has a bunch of bottle of water too. He's a bottled water barista. This is 5. I'm willing to go 5. That's a solid 5 for me. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Look how cute it is. That's cool. Is it fake? Size of it's too small. There's not enough room. I'll give this an 8.5. Look at the amount of vegetable soup that this dude has. Bro's the vegetable soup. Bro's the vegetable soup vandalizer. How much vegetable soup do you need? I mess with the water filter though. It's real? Okay, thank you, Wee. Yeah, I said soup. That's real. That's too healthy for me right there. I'm not gonna lie. How many tortillas do you need in your fridge? Bro's the tortilla tolerator. Look at the whole pallet of water. Bro's the water pallet protector. This sucks though. This ain't good. There's really nothing in here. Tortilla? Tortilla. Wait, what you mean tortilla? How did I say it?
Tortilla.
Tortilla. If anything, how I said it's better.
Tortilla.
Tortilla. That's how you say it. I will not be told otherwise. Buddy, I don't know how much butter you need in your house, but I think you have enough. Bo's the butter breadwinner. Okay, he's got some hamburgers. He's got some cheeseburgers. Okay. Okay, hold up. Wow, he's got a lot of stuff in here. There's actually quite a bit of stuff in here, Chad. I'm not going to lie. You see this is a bunch of steaks right here. This is a bunch of pork steaks right here. You see this? Look at all these pork steaks right here. You see all the pork steaks right there? There's a bunch of pork steaks. Ooh, that's not bad. That's not a bad fridge at all. You have quite the selection of Tupperware in there. Bro's the Tupperware tapestry. What's the freezer look like? Okay, 3 fingers in the picture. You forgot to cut that out, but I'll let you slide. Okay, we got some... Are these chickens? Chad, are these chickens right here? Whole chickens? Yo, 2,000 bits from Holy. You're built like Bertha from Marvel? Yo, hear me out on Bertha, though. I immediately bear witness to a bottle of Frank's hot sauce. This immediately puts it on the map as one of the best. Oh my goodness, chat. Look at the cheesecake select right here. It's half eaten, which kind of makes me mad, but we have half of a cheesecake select right here. Oh my goodness. What are these things? Our signature blend of fresh... Oh, it's chicken? The door game is absolutely marvelous. He's got jalapenos, whipped cream. Oh, yeah, he's got it all in the door. He's got it all in the door, man. He does. He's got it all in the door. On jug of Hidden Valley Ranch, off rip. You're pushing 900 pounds? 5. One more. One more. Buddy, did you get this from the 1987 photo album? Or something? Like, is this your great-grandma's fridge? Is this like the first photo ever taken of a fridge? Chad, I think we just witnessed history. I think this is the first ever picture taken of a fridge. Like, you understand me? That's disgusting. That is disgusting right there.